One pine tree was cut down that my crows like. Yesterday it was dead. And then if you guys, in one of my earlier videos, the pine tree where the eagle was in, and also one of the other videos what had the fallen branch, that's the pine tree there. It is coming down. So yeah, check in later. When it comes down, I'll be sure to post it. Hopefully I'm here to record it when it's coming down. But yeah, it's about to go bye-bye. The ring on it is probably gonna be big. This is gonna be a big stump. Yeah. You guys can hear the seabirds and the pelicans and so being all noisy this morning. Yep, still a nice morning. Hope everyone is feeling blessed this morning. Rise with the morning sun.